Weld Park Stakes. Stakes. The Weld Park Stakes is a Group 3 flat horse race in Ireland open to 2-year-old thoroughbred fillies. It is run at the Curragh over a distance of 7 furlongs 1408 meters, and it is scheduled to take place each year in September or October. History. The event was originally held at Phoenix Park, and it used to be contested over a mile. For a period it was called the Wexford Stakes, and it was later renamed the Park Stakes. It was shortened to 7 furlongs in 1971. The trainer Dermot Weld started to sponsor the race in the 1980s, and it was subsequently run in memory of his father Charlie Weld, also a trainer. The CL Weld Park Stakes was transferred to the Curragh in 1991. In 2014, the name of Dermot Weld's mother, Marguerite, was added to the race title, and it became the CL and MF Weld Park Stakes. Since 2018, it has been run as the Weld Park Stakes. Notable winners of the race have included Rejude Pearl, Alborada, Imagine and Qualify. Records. Winners since 1980. Earlier winners. Moon Dancer finished first in 1965, but she was disqualified.